This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.Murdock. Spacious and bright, 2-bedroom 2-full bath, corner unit condo. Great updated kitchen with painted cabinets, solid surface countertops and breakfast bar. Easy maintenance laminate flooring and neutral colors throughout. Relax on the balcony that also has a storage closet. All appliances including washer and dryer included. Lovely master bedroom suite with an ensuite bathroom. Association amenities include ground maintenance, assigned 1-car parking, and access to clubhouse/pool. The condo association only allows 1 dog or 1 cat, 35 pounds or less. Located minutes from Chesapeake Square Shopping and I-664. Available February 1, 2022. The application can be found here, www.townerentals.com.